Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to tell you all about the AIYIMA A07 Max Amplifier Home Audio 2025. The AIYIMA A07 Max Amplifier Home Audio 2025 is a compact and powerful amplifier ideal for audiophiles seeking high-quality performance at an affordable price. It is built on the TPA3255 chipset and offers excellent sound quality and power for various audio setups, including home systems, desktops, or DIY projects. One of its key features is its ability to operate in stereo mode with 300 watts per channel, allowing it to drive different speaker types effectively. Additionally, it can bridge into mono mode for an impressive 600 watts, suitable for high-powered subwoofers or large speakers. The A07 Max is designed with upgraded heat dissipation to keep it cool under demanding conditions, ensuring consistent performance and longevity. It uses premium audio components to provide low distortion and a clean sound, appealing to those who value audio clarity. The amplifier also boasts multiple safety certifications, including CE, FCC, and RoHS, confirming its reliability and environmental friendliness. Thanks for watching. Check out the video description for updated price.